Welcome back to the Giza Plateau. In part 2 of our walking tour, we move south to explore the Pyramid of Khafre and its eternal protector, the Great Sphinx. Khafre, the son of Khufu, built his monument on a bedrock pedestal 10 meters higher, making it appear as the tallest on the plateau. It is the only pyramid to retain a significant portion of its original polished casing, a shimmering crown that hints at its former glory. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's descend to the valley. Nearby stands the Valley Temple, a masterpiece of Old Kingdom architecture, constructed from massive monolithic granite pillars. Its alabaster floors once held the famous diorite statues of the pharaoh, found buried in a ritual pit deep within the temple grounds. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Directly adjacent lies the Great Sphinx, the oldest and largest known monumental sculpture in the world. Carved from a single ridge of limestone bedrock, it stands 73 meters long and 20 meters high, a fusion of man and beast. Between its paws sits the Dream Stele, a pink granite tablet telling the story of a prince who was promised the throne if he cleared the sands from the Sphinx. That prince became Thutmose IV, fulfilling his promise and restoring the dignity of this ancient guardian. Modern tours emphasize the Sphinx Temple, where 24 pillars are believed to have represented the 24 hours of the day. The temple's design creates a unique acoustic environment, once used for solar rituals that synchronize the heavens with the earth. To the ancients, it was Horamakhet, Horus in the horizon, the divine watcher of the rising sun. Scientists still debate the patterns of erosion on its body, with some suggesting they point to a much older history of rainfall in the desert. Modern conservation efforts are constant, battling the winds and salts that threaten to dissolve this limestone titan. New visitor platforms allow for a respectful view while minimizing the impact of the thousands who visit daily. The 500-meter causeway connects the Valley Temple to the pyramid above, a sacred path once used by the pharaoh's priests. At the top of the path sits the mortuary temple, where daily offerings were made to ensure the king's eternal life. As the sun sets, the guardians of the horizon stand as a testament to a civilization that aimed for the stars. Our tour isn't over. In part 3, we'll visit the smallest of the 3 pyramids and the modern wonders of the Grand Egyptian Museum. Thank you for joining us for the second chapter of this Egyptian epic. See you in part 3. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.